Hello and welcome to Yes You Can channel. In this video I will show you how to enter BIOS and boot menu option for a Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Pro NP940XGK laptop. Let's get started. So I'm just waiting for Windows to restart. You can apply this method if your laptop is off. Now once it's restarting or you power it on, keep tapping F2 key. This key. Right, we are now in Samsung BIOS configuration. So I'm just going to flick through and show you what there is in system settings. As you can see on the screen, there's not much settings to choose from. Time for me to exit and show you how to enter boot menu option. So for example, if you've got USB inserted, keep tapping the F10 key. So ensure your USB flash pen drive is inserted into USB and keep tapping F10 key. And this will pop up. Below it will be your bootable drive below the Windows Boot Manager. Just below that, select it and then press enter. Obviously I don't have no USB attached, so it's not going to work, but that's what you need to do.